Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your messenger account, right? So to deactivate, you don't need to go to the messenger, you need to go to the Facebook. So because Facebook and messenger are interconnected, and here you have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, and after that you have to click on setting and privacy, and after that just go to the setting, and on the search bar you have to type deactivate, right? So after clicking on this access and control, you will just redirect to deactivated deletion. So if you want to deactivate your messenger app, you have to deactivate your Facebook app too, right? So here you can get the two options, that is deactivate or delete. If you want to deactivate just for temporary purposes, you can just wait and click to continue deactivation, and after that you have to select the profile, and after that click on continue, and you have to enter the password, and that's it guys. It will get deactivated for temporary purposes, and if you want to just re-log in or restart your messenger app once again, just re-log in into both the apps and it will get started. So this is it. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, make sure to leave a comment down below, subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.